not supposed to make the man's life hard. You're supposed to make him hard in the bedroom. And so that way, he didn't have to make you cry, your eyes wet. He's gonna make you wet in the bedroom. So that's how it's supposed to work.
That's cool.
This one here is probably going to be powerful. How do you feel?
It's like I'm just playing.
You think you can handle?
Yeah, it's very light. So mga kachupa, ito na yung nabili namin tsaka yung battery. Wala na kami nabili. Diyos ko, lay pa. 30 minutes pa drive. Wala rin pala. Hi mga kachupa, welcome back to my vlog. Ang talagang hindi nagsasalita. Baka naging pipi na yun. So for today's video, gagawin kami ng aking asawa sa Home Depot. Home Depot. Ba't kaya Home Depot ang tinawag doon? So bibili kami ng what's that? Blower?
A leaf blower.
Yeah, leaf
curtains,
blower pala.
and a rake.
Kasi
and batteries.
So kasi ang dito sa aming lugar nagpo-fall na, so lahat ng mga leaves nagtatanggalan na, so kailangan namin mag-ayos at mag-ready for the snow season. So punta tayo, samahan natin ang aking asawa. At saka bibili rin kami ng curtain, kasi yung last time nilaban namin yung curtain namin, naku, dahil nasira ng washing. Hindi pala dapat no? Siguro yung washing na pinaglalaban namin medyo malakas ang ikot, kaya siguro nagkabutas-butas yung aming curtain, nasira. Kaya next time pag naglalaba ako curtain, lalabang ko na lang ng kamay para hindi siya nasisira. Sayang, ang ganda pa man din. So tingin tayo sa Home Depot kung meron, kasi medyo malayo Home Depot dito, mga 30 minutes drive. So ang oras namin ngayon is 3:40 na ng hapon. Kaya gising lang namin, galing tulog kami ng tanghali. So, dito na kami mga katiba. Dito na tayo sa Home Depot. Mga inaano na lang yung mga pang-snow yan eh. Ayun, cute naman na yun. It's super lamig. Yan, medyo mainit. So, may heater sila rin. Wow, they have plants too.
They have sun.
In view?
Yeah.
This is cheap.
No,
$6.
it's not good. You mount this onto the wall.
This one will be this all for the hose. Oh, diba? Why? You like that? So expensive. It's not even good.
This one, see the
Kaya gusto niya kasi medyo mahal kasi ito iniikot lang.
This is $70. This is $44.
Ayan, di 44. That's cool.
Just like that.
Oh, that's easy.
So what you do is you take this, you plug it here, and then one goes into the water hose.
Hmm.
Put your hose.
Okay.
You put your hose here, but this is plastic, so I don't know if it's gonna last.
So it's better to get the metal one, so it lasts forever.
$44. This is pretty expensive for plastic.
Because they have a wheel, that's all.
But we do need one, so that way it's a little bit more organized.
Like it? Doon silang ano rito, yung cart, yung box holder. Ay, oh, so cute.
I don't really
$79. Ito medyo more expensive din. This one is better.
Well, if I get one, then I have to buy another different hose that is soft too, so it matches. Because the green one like this, it's so stiff, it's not good. So even when you have a roller like that, it's gonna be very messy.
And this one too, I like this one. So when I put water on my plants, it's good. The one that we have is here, oh, $10. So expensive, oh.
Yeah, the one we have is like this one.
And it's not even good.
And this one is.
This one is $9 only.
I think this is mostly for plants. This is for like so it's stronger. You can spray very far.
Yeah.
But if you just want it for plants, this is probably a better one.
Yeah.
This one's not so good for plants. This one is just for you're spraying far or you're washing the car. Because this one's not good for washing car because it's not so strong.
Meron pala rito. Meron din pala rito. Ito. Kaya lang ito medyo ano na. Pang matagalan na to kasi ano na siya, bakal na siya. Oh. Wow! That
So
one
this
has
is
a
kind of the
box.
same, except this doesn't have a wheel.
It's ugly, B. You only put a little bit of hose there. This one, no.
This?
This one can last forever. See? You only gonna put holes in the...
You're gonna install it onto a wall.
This is what I saw in our neighbor. They have like that.
But the walls in my house is not so strong. And I don't want to keep drilling holes in my walls.
Okay.
And I don't want to keep the hoses outside during the cold season either because, you know, it's gonna destroy it. So I want something like that where in the cold season, then you just take it inside the garage and you leave it in there.
You know, even though we don't buy it, it's okay.
Yeah. Well, I think we'll wait on. I think I'm gonna see if I can find a good used one for lower price.
Hey, this one. B, I like this one. Yeah, this is the one I
This
like.
is not gonna last because this is plastic, B. It's not gonna last.
It is. This is what I saw in our neighbor. Nah, yeah, please.
Okay.
Yay! Ayan, may lahat natin. Ganito, oh.
This one's gas power, corded. We want one that's electric and it's battery charge. See what else in the car.
That's small. How much? It's like a gun.
It's not very powerful. This one here, it's probably going to be powerful.
Yeah. I like the color too.
$50. This is only for the kids.
Eh, mga price niya, $149. So, medyo mahal, oh. Ito naman yung medyo maliit lang, pero $79 siya. Ayan. Kasi bibili sana kami sa online, kaya lang hindi nagtatrust yung aking asawa sa online. Kaya mas gusto niya yung dito na bibili. Can I carry that?
Yeah, it's not very heavy. You can try it. With the battery, it's going to be a little bit heavier.
Oh, it's very light.
Yeah. With the battery, it's going to be a little bit heavier. But other than that, how do you feel?
The battery. Okay.
Yeah, the battery goes there. How do you feel?
It's like I'm just playing.
You think you can handle?
Yeah, it's very light.
$30. That's probably the best deal right there because these are not very strong.
Yeah.
This is only half the power, 250.
What's the power of that?
That one is 510.
Oh yeah.
Is cubic flow per meter.
So ayun yung power niya, 250 lang. Tapos ito 350. And then ito naman 500. 510.
Yeah. This one here is 550, but
this one is overdose.
This one is way more expensive.
This one is 149. It's the same, B. It's the same.
Yes, it's the same, but this one has a bigger battery, 40 volts. So this one just lasts longer because it's got a 40-volt battery.
We should get this one then.
But the battery is probably more expensive too. But let me see, was 159, and then they go down to 149. So actually, let's see what the difference is. It's kind of the same.
This is big. Big.
1 horsepower brushless. I think the price go down on this one.
Bad news kasi wala na daw stocks.
That one's good. Sold out.
Wala na stocks, kaya sold out na daw. Kaya hindi na kami bibili. Silang Christmas tree dito. Bakit naman? Look, let's go. So, bibili kami ng battery. Ayan, big.
32 looking. So this is $15 for 6. How many did you need?
How many candles we have? 3.
3? Okay.
So mga kachupa, ito na yung nabili namin tsaka yung battery. Wala na kami nabili. Diyos ko, lay pa. 30 minutes pa drive. Wala rin pala.
You brought extra water?
Lalamig ako. Sobrang lamig sa labas.
It's okay. It wasn't meant to be. That means that maybe it's not for us. God have a better deal for us.
So what are we gonna do now? Go home?
Yep, we're going home. Our business here is done.
Just me. Wala rin tayo bumili. Gusto ko nga bumili ng cortina eh. para maikabit na dun sa ano, kaya lang wala kami naganda. So I think we're gonna buy online curtain.
Yeah, we can look for the curtains online. So that way we get the proper size.
So uwi na kami mga kachupa. Anong oras pa lang? Alas 5 pa lang po, madilim na dito. Sometimes I wanna go on Target. No.
Target? There's really nothing there.
I didn't go there yet.
Kind of the same like Kohl's. If you want to go there, we can look real quick since we're
Now?
here.
Yeah.
Because we don't have a Target in town. If you want to look, we can. Since we're already here.
So, bibili kami ng gift for Christmas para dito tayo punta sa may Target. Kasi hindi pa kami nakakapunta dito sa Target. But I think, is it Target?
Yes.
Cute kasi yung design mga Target talaga yun. Napapakita ko sa mga chupa. So, ayan po yung ating pupuntahang Target. Ayan, pupunta na kami mga kachupa. I think, this is where I'm gonna make me happy. Just buy the small basket. Is there somebody else?
Okay.
Wow, so beautiful. May pantali. Hold on. I want this.
Strawberry?
Is it cute?
It's okay. You like it?
There's a lot of girl stuff. You can buy. They have stuff too for house.
They have quite a few things.
They have Target cart too. That's cute.
Carts.
Cute.
This is stretchable?
Yeah.
But this one's ripped already.
It's a design.
Okay, but he's so.
So basically you have
Ito kasi di remote. So naghanap kami ng pangregalo kayo.
Oh, they have more up here. Yoshi and Mario too.
Pero expensive na siya dahil.
The toilet. $50 though. It's a mystery surprise toilet. So you don't know what you're getting.
It's so big.
Yeah, the front door. It's kind of good. You like it?
$9 only.
Well, it's kind of like that. It's not normal waffle size.
Wala na ako matatanggap sa Pasko ng regalo. Nako, ubos na ang pera. Your money is run out for me. Bumili kasi kami ng blender.
As long as we're not spending faster than what we're making, it shouldn't be a problem.
Bumili kasi kami ng ng blender. Kasi nag-fruit shake ba? Tapos, bumili kami ng waffle maker. Pero maliit lang. Tapos yung pang-bake na, ang tawag doon roller emerald. Emerald.
As long as you make it useful, I'm good with it.
Tapos bumili yung mga pang-kitchen, yung pang-scoop sa ice cream, ganyan. Yung
But if I
mga,
buy it and you never use it, then I will never buy it again.
yung mga wala kami sa bahay. So, kinumpleto na ng asawa. Pero hindi pa, yung iba kasi hindi namin nakita sa Target. Kasi nahanap namin yung yung Panda Express. Masarap kasi ang Panda Express. First time kong nakakain dito noon. Naku, day. I-try nyo sa Philippines. Merong Panda Express. Masarap din pala. Mga Chinese food din pala yun. Akala ko ang Panda Express for burger, ganyan. Hindi pala. Mga chicken. Parang chicken nuggets. Parang gano'n. Pero masarap siya. Hindi pa kami kumakain. So, hanapin natin ito na mamaya makakain tayo. You search it on the phone.
Hold on.
Buti na lang pumunta kami sa Target. Kasi kung hindi kami pumunta sa Target, hindi kami makakabili ng mga hindi kami nakabili ng pangregalo. Pero dahil ko nakita magaganda sa Target. Kaya alam, may mga expensive din pala. So, if you want, we can eat inside the house.
If you want to do that, we can too.
Kasi meron pa namang ulam sa bahay. I'll cook egg rolls for you.
We just had egg rolls, so I don't want to eat it again.
So, who do you like?
We can eat at... Oh, that's Chili's. Okay. We can eat at Panda Express. I'm kind of in the mood for it too.
Ikaw rin ba? Nakakatawa kami. Ngayon, pauwi na kami. Alas 6 pa lang, pero sobrang dilim na. Bumili lang kami ng, ayan, yung pang ano sa damo. Kasi nga, isa lang yung ganyan namin. Eh, ang daming damo sa bahay. Ang daming damo sa garden namin. Minsan, pagod na ako. Hindi ko pa nalilinis lahat ng damo. So, bumili siya ng isa pa. Para may katulong ako maglinis, diba? Mabilis ba naman ang trabaho, diba? Kung nakabili kami ng blower, medyo madali-dali ang trabaho. Kasi, pagka may blower ka, mabilis lang ang trabaho mo. Pagka gumamit ka kasi ng broom, broom ba yun? Is it broom or what's that called?
For sweeping? Yes, it's a broom.
Because I always call it groom.
Broom.
So I'm wrong.
It's not broom. Broom. With a B.
Broom.
Broom.
Broom pala. Sabi, umalis lang din. Ang hirap mag-English, Diyos ko. Ay ako kayo mag-asawa ng foreigner. Dudugo ilong nyo, dudugo utak nyo. Patay po kayo.
Groom is like the man that's about to get married. That's the groom.
Yeah.
The groom.
That's why I always What? What? It's kind of like, I cannot understand what are you talking about. Are you laughing or what? You know, parang ayun yung mga nangyari sa amin. Mga nagdaang araw. So, meron akong 2 years nag-aaral lang English.
It was in February 2022.
Yeah, I remember that. Kasi, ano to, pero nakilala ko siya November 2020. Patapos na ng so magti-2021 na, no? So, meron akong time na aralin siya, aralin attitude niya, aralin kung ano ba siya, kung ginagamit lang ba niya ako, or gusto lang ba niya yung katawan ko, or sobrang sexy, no? Alam mo, sobrang fun. I was telling that I have time to know you better, or maybe you just like me because of my body, or that's what I'm talking about. That's why I'm laughing. Because there's a lot of foreigner, they just like Filipina because they think Filipina is skinny, sexy, unlike in American women here, it's a lot of chubby, right? Yeah, they didn't like chubby, so I was thinking that maybe a lot of American, they look Filipina because they think Filipina is sexy, you know, like the body.
I think there's many different reasons. It's not just for looks, there's other reasons as well. There's many reasons. Like I said, one of the reasons because a lot of women here in the West, it's gotten so bad that a lot of guys, it's just not worth it anymore. So they're just not going to do it. That's why they're going abroad. So they're going to find somebody that's wife material. A lot of women here in the West, they're not wife material.
Yeah, you're right.
They say, I don't cook, I don't clean, I don't do any housework. You know, you do your own laundry. I want you to do all the cooking. I want you to do all the work in the house. You know, I want you to pay all the bills.
And she's just laying down on the bed.
Yeah. I don't want to work.
That's crazy.
You know? So to me, it's like, oh, what are you gonna do then?
So she just like a princess, you know.
I don't know. Not even a princess. They want to be the empress, and you're just the lowly worker to serve her.
That's so bad.
And then if she gets tired, she's just gonna divorce you and then destroy you in court. So a lot of guys are just not gonna do it. They just say, nope, not doing that, not playing that game. I'm out.
Yeah, that's why a lot of American guys, they're looking at old traditional wife. Some they go to the Thailand, some they go to Philippines, you know, mga Asian culture. Kasi gusto nila yung mga old tradition wife, yung gagawin nila lahat ng mga bahay, gawaing bahay, alaga sa bata, housewife material ba? Parang gano'n.
And on top of that, a lot of Western guys, they don't like the wife that when they doing everything for her and then she's always fighting him, arguing with him, she's making his life hard. You know,
yeah.
Like we watched that one video with the Korean girl, you know, she got it right. She was saying that you're not supposed to make the man's life hard. You're supposed to make him hard in the bedroom. And so that way, he didn't have to make you cry, your eyes wet. He's gonna make you wet in the bedroom. So that's how it's supposed to work. And she got it right. She got it right. If you're making the man's life hard, he's not gonna stick around. And if you're the man and you're always making her eyes wet and she's crying all the time, she's not gonna stick around. So it has to work both ways for a relationship or even for a marriage to last long term. You remember that video, right?
Yeah, I remember
that Korean girl. She got it right.
Yeah.
She knows what she's talking about. But a lot of Western women, they don't get it. They don't get it.
Because a lot of people living here they grow up their life is very good, you know.
They're very spoiled.
Yeah, they're very spoiled. That's why.
It's like Nick was telling me that some girls, they saying that, oh, to date me, you have to make a minimum of $200K a year.
much that in peso?
200K a year, that's 10 million.
God, that's crazy.
And I was trying to tell Nick that those girls are crazy. No one makes 10 million a year. Not the average person.
That's not even minimum, right? It's a higher salary, or maybe that's
Well, for her, that's a minimum. But on average in the U.S., most people only make about $40,000 a year, which is 2 million. That's the average in the entire United States. Including all the big cities and the rich people, it's around $40,000. That's the national average. So when she says, oh, I want a guy that makes a minimum of 200,000, she's delusional, she's dreaming. There are a few guys that do make that kind of money, but why would they pick her? They have millions of other options. They're just not going to pick her.
For me, as a girl, I think if I'm gonna look for a good husband, first one, I will require that man should have a stable job. I don't need a requirement for salary, you know. I just need a stable job, a stable house, and stable. He only really needs wife like me.
Well,
he never need anything.
Your standard is the right standard. It's very. You just require someone who already have a house. His life is stable. He has a job. He has a future. So your standard is just normal. It's the right way to do it. But if you're the kind of person that say, oh, your house have to be 5,000 square foot, you have to own your own property, you have to make this kind of money, you have to own a big business or something like that. I just want my husband to have own house, so that way I never experience the thing that I experienced when I was getting evicted from the house.
Yeah, that's all I just wanted.
They say, oh, you didn't pay rent, so you're gonna get kicked out.
Because I've been.
Or guys like, oh, I live with my parents.
That's not good either.
It's not good. I live with my parents.
Because we never know. What if your mother-in-law or your inside the house is their attitude is not good towards you, or you get pissed, something. It's not really good to live with your mother-in-law when you're getting married,
in a lot of Asian culture and some other culture, they practice that, and it's okay because that's normal for them. But for me, I find that it doesn't work out very well. You're always going to have some drama. So for me, I don't like drama, so I would rather just not do it. Like if it means I have to pay a little bit more to have, my own private life, I would rather do that. No matter what, you're always going to have drama if you live with other people, especially like your mother-in-law or father-in-law or maybe sister-in-law or brother-in-law or anything like that. It's just not a good idea. You save a little bit of money because everybody chip in, but it's not, to me, it's not worth it because I already experienced it. It's just not worth it.
You're gonna have a stress, a headache, and sometimes you cannot even sleep very well.
Yeah.
Because you have involved to other things that you shouldn't talk, you shouldn't involve. I feel like now that I experienced that we have stable house, I feel like we're in peaceful. We're not even think to other people that, oh, what's they gonna think. I'm not even worried about that.
It's good to have your own peace.
Yeah.
So that way you have a happier life. You didn't stress. It's just better overall. Everyone wants peace. And I guess some people, they didn't have a choice, so they do that. They live together in a crowded house. But I would never do that again. I just would never.
Kasi na-experience sa asawa ko yung nagsasama sila ng kanyang unang asawa. Sama-sama sila magkakapatid. How many in your house when you live? 4 siblings with their girlfriend?
Yeah, when I was in Oregon, it was me, Yardley, Tony, and Fong. So 4 of us and then 4 of, their partners. So 8 people total. And my cousin Richard was there too. So 9 people, but he didn't have a partner. So it was 9 people.
So ayun, nagsasama-sama sila doon. Ang daming drama daw, kwento niya.
and when they start to grow, they get bigger, and their roots start to expand, they're gonna intertwine with each other, so it's gonna have all kinds of problems. You know? So that's why it's important that everyone have space. Like, you cannot be too close. And that's why I also try to tell my dad that I don't want to do that anymore, because I also see that distance create more appreciation. Because now that our family is farther away, me and my dad are farther away, my mom is farther away, we don't see each other all the time, you know, we have space. Our love has gotten stronger, our relationship has become stronger because we appreciate our time together more because we don't see each other all the time.
So do you think, now that I am far from my family, do you think they love me more or no?
I think they would appreciate you more and you would appreciate it more. So like in a couple of years when we go back, you would value it much, much more because it's more precious, because it's not all the time. But when you see them all the time and they live in the same place, then it's like the love is less and less and less, and you don't really care about each other because you're just too busy doing your own thing.
I think it's true.
Yeah.
Kasi na-experience ko yan. Ako nakatira ako dun sa amin. Lagi kami nakikita ng ate ko. Lagi ko siya nakikita. Lagi kami nagbabangayan. So parang babadrip na ako lang sa kanya. Ganyan. Kaya mas okay na yung hindi kami nagkikita. Hindi kami less utang. Diba? Less So nakakatipid din ako kahit ako minsan. I was telling that when I was living near with my sister, I always see my sister, I always get bad trip, you know, because he always borrowing money, you know, and I feel like I didn't have any freedom for my money because he always asking me. Yeah, and now that we're far, I feel like I'm kind of like saving money a little bit, you know. I think it's better.
Well, it's good to help other people if they really need the help, but if they're just making bad decisions and they're just being so irresponsible because they think that, oh, you know, I'm just gonna use her to help me because she always say yes, then it's kind of bad, you know. And like I said, if you train people to treat you like that, they're gonna treat you like that. So you have to train them to understand that, hey, you know, I'm not an ATM for you. I would help you if it's an emergency, but I'm not an ATM, so don't treat me that way, you know. Just because you're making all your bad decisions, just because you're making all your bad decisions, you know, I can't always, you know, handle your problems, you know, and it shouldn't be that way. And for me, even for me, if I make bad decisions, I don't expect other people to carry my bad problems because I make bad choices. You know,
I'm not ATM.
if you're making bad choice, you gotta look back and reflect and figure out what you're doing wrong, you know, like why.
Yeah.
And if you see that you're doing something that's not so good, that's why you're always having problems, then you need to control yourself to stop it. If you don't stop it, then it doesn't matter if other people help you. You're always gonna get back into more trouble.
Ayun sinasabi ko ako, pag nagsalita yung asawa ko, talagang talaga siya, mahigpit sa pera, kaya ako hindi rin ako nagagastos ka. Napapagastos lang ako pagka talagang kailangan namin sa bahay, ayun lang. Pero kung gusto ko lang ganyan, parang wala lang, bet ko lang, parang gano'n, hindi niya ibibili yan. Pero ang okay nga rin, kasi ang maganda sa asawa ko, pagka kailangan ko talaga, binibili niya talaga. Kahit mahal pa yan. Basta kailangan mo, bibili niya. Pero kung maganda lang yan, kahit mura yan, hindi niya bibilin. I was telling that, what I like about you is, every time I need something, even it's so expensive, you're gonna get it. But if it's cheaper, but I didn't need it, you're not gonna get it, right? That's the one thing I like about you.
Well, I like practical use, meaning that if it's useful and I know you're gonna use it, then even if sometimes it's a little bit more expensive, I'm okay with that.
Kaya nga, ayun nga yung nagustuhan ko sa'yo, yung
because I don't like waste. But if I know and I see that you need it and you're gonna use it, then I'm okay with it. I just don't like waste.
Yeah.
But if I see if it's gonna be useful, then I don't have too much of a